Hey, how you guys doing? In today's video, we're going to talk about taking care of newly hatched baby chicks. I just got some from Freedom Ranger Hatchery up in Pennsylvania, and I'm super excited about it. Let's check it out. Hey, so this is what the chicks came in. So let's get it open and see what we've got. Fresh from the hatchery. Oh, yeah. They all seem to be alive, so that's good. They've eaten a lot of their yolks, so I'm glad they came in today. So what I want to do now that we've got them is pick them up one by one, inspect them, and make sure they get that first drink of water before putting them in the brooder. And I'm going to do that with each one because it's very important that they get that first drink and that they're checked for deformities. But they all so far seem to be in really, really good health. But I'm letting them get that very first drink and letting them in. And it seems like they're comfortable in the brooder. And what I'm letting them drink, it's water mixed with the electrolyte, Save a Chick electrolyte that I got from Tractor Supply. But they're getting their first drink of water in their life, and that first drink is super important so they know not only where their water is and what it is, but they get those electrolytes in their system where they've been in the mail. But I use Freedom Ranger Hatchery, and I am super impressed with the health of these chicks. They shipped them yesterday, and I've already gotten them. They're a little spooked, but that's normal since they've been in the mail. Oh, okay, that one is sleeping. He got super cozy. There they go. And you can go. So the most important thing right now, too, in the next few hours is to make sure they're all eating and drinking on their own, which they seem to be. The brooder lamp seems to be in the right place because they're all kind of milling about. They don't seem to be like trying to get away from it. And they seem to be super, super happy that that they're finally out of their box, and I'm excited to have them. So here's a 2-hour update. I'm still trying to get the temperature exactly the way I like it. I got a Producer's Pride thermometer from Tractor Supply. It seems to work really, really well. Gotta watch it because now they're curious and pecking it. But they've been eating and drinking all on their own, so they know where their food is. And now they're just kind of milling about, and that's how you know that the temperature is comfortable. I also want to make sure it's not too cold for them so they can, before their first night. So that's the update now. They're doing really, really well. None of them seem like they have any deformities. And they're all eating and drinking on their own. So that's an excellent sign that they'll be happy and healthy. So good morning. Here we got the chicks. They survived the night, so everything's looking pretty good. Here they are. They're up eating. Some of them are still sleeping a little bit. That's pretty normal. Just like any other animal baby, they get super, super tired. But they seemed to sleep well last night, and they're still doing really, really well. So I cleaned out their water bowl, and we'll have to elevate it a little bit because they keep getting pine shavings in it. But they are continuing to eat, and I finally got the temperature right with the lamp. So the baby chicks are doing really, really well, and I'll give you an update on how they're doing as they grow. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked what you see, please subscribe. And I'll continue to post videos on our homestead and how things are going as we build it and get it going. Hope this stuff helps, and have a blessed day.